We are the 401 couple, and we are going to be talking about 5 steps to successfully pitch the benefits of a 401k plan for you for your first 401k client. Step 1 is obvious.
Know your audience.
That's right, absolutely. What demographic are you targeting? What industry were you in before you were a seasoned financial professional? Do you know a lot of people who are beer distributors? Do you know a lot of contractors? Were you a newspaper journalist? I don't know, what did you do in your prior life? Do you have an industry that you know or have been working with a lot already? So know your audience. Step number 2, highlight the many tax advantages. There are a number of them. All right, Katherine, what tax advantages do 401k plans have?
Well, there's both for the participants and for the plan sponsor, which is the company. So participants that can do pre-tax or after-tax money, and then for companies, like it's a business expense.
It's a tax deduction. Okay?
So it's like straight across the board.
Yep. And the tax advantages continue on in that if you are doing a pre-tax option, like a traditional 401k plan or an employer contribution, the gain inside that plan, that account for you grows deferred. You don't pay taxes on it until it comes out. Now then, what gifts did Secure 2.0 give us?
Money to start plans, meaning to pay for it to be set up.
There's a formula, okay, but Uncle Sam's giving you your clients, okay, if they haven't sponsored a plan yet, all right, this is going to be there's going to be plan installation credits and employer contribution credits. All right. What's step number 3, my dear? Emphasize our employer contributions. Exactly. Okay. So this can be a huge factor for employers meet a lot of their own goals, okay, and maybe their business's goals like retaining good talent, hiring new talent, etc. So there are 2 different types of employer contributions. Katherine, what's the one that most people think about for employer contributions?
Matches.
All right. Now, who gets a match contribution?
People contributing money to the plan.
People who are making their own 401k deferral. Okay. And what's the other one that everybody calls it?
Profit sharing.
Profit sharing contribution. All right. So that would go to people not based on whether or not they're deferring. It's generally called a profit sharing contribution. Yes.
The reason I like that one is like if you were to give somebody a $1,000 bonus, they would pay taxes on it and not get $1,000. But if you give them a $1,000 profit sharing contribution, they get $1,000.
Or another way, so a $1,000 cash bonus cost an employer $1,076.50. Okay, a $1,000 contribution to the profit sharing plan costs you $1,000. Okay, now then, our next step is step number 4. You can have an awful lot of investment options inside a 401k plan. Make sure you talk about that with your potential plan sponsors.
Yeah, some record keepers, it's like 600, right?
That's like the lowest number.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not suggesting you have a plan with 600 investment options. That's going to be sensory overload and might be a bad thing, okay? But
these days there's options.
Yeah, there's pretty much options for everybody. I've heard about cryptocurrency getting EFTs. I have not heard about any of the record keepers we're working with putting an EFT fund on their platform, but watch this space, it's coming at some point, all right? So basically, everybody can find something that's gonna make them happy. Number 5 and last one is?
Opportunity for financial education.
That's going to be the job of the financial professional. You can help make people a lot more financially literate, or at least financially aware, all right? Provide a lot of educational resources.
Encourage them to save and understand why they're saving.
Why they're saving, the benefits of it, everything else. Help them understand risk tolerances. You're not trying to make them PhDs, but you're trying to have them understand exactly, a general idea of what's going on, all right?
But the beautiful thing is in a plan, not only are you talking to the owner about what they're doing with the plan, but you're talking to all the employees. So you actually now have a lot of clients.
Exactly.
There's a lot of bang for your buck.
Right. And obviously, as a final point, is you need to make sure that they understand that you were there to help them succeed with their retirement goals. Okay, now then, hopefully this makes sense for you. We would love to be able to be your favorite resource for ERISA knowledge, marketing knowledge, prospect knowledge, anything that has to do with starting a 401k plan. What record keepers like, what record keepers don't like, what employers like, what employers don't like. We want to be your resource and answer questions for you. Now then, how do they get in touch with us?
So I'd say go boldly out and sell 401k plans, and you have an excellent wingman.
Absolutely. Oh, thank you. I'm a wingman. Thank you very much. Yes. So please, if you'd like to talk to us more about this, email us at sales@hunterbenefits.com or give us a call. It's on the website. We're here to help. Keep those cards and letters coming.
Toodaloo.